We're recording this again because my camera just shut off on me. We love it. We love losing all our footage. So I'm gonna get right back down to business. Hey everybody, it's V here, and I'm in college. I've been here for 8 weeks, and I am broke and stressed so quick. I don't understand how this happened so fast, but I'm losing my mind. You guys know me on my writing down everything that I'm feeling so that I can just kind of word vomit and let it out. That's how I always roll. A lot of things have been going on. I realized that I want to switch my major. I want to do business data analytics. We'll give it a go. I need to make some meetings.
I'm sorry, make some meetings, schedule? Does that work with you?
I need to get a baseball signed for my dad's friend. I have a lot of rehearsals coming up for Cinderella. It's a blast. It's just, it's a lot of work. Like 5 hours of work at a time.
Loving it.
I need to get a lot of stuff done. My family is coming up this weekend, and my sister's gonna spend the night on Saturday, and my room is atrocious. It's disgusting. It reeks. It's vile. I've already deep cleaned it like twice, and now it still looks like this. So basically tomorrow, in the couple hour window that I have between classes and rehearsal and going out with some friends, I'm gonna try to clean as best as I can. I'll probably have to save a big chunk of it for Friday, and by that I mean laundry. I have a lot of laundry to do. We're gonna get started on that tomorrow. I just wanted to update you guys on that right now because I was gonna forget about it tomorrow. So this will motivate me, hopefully, to get my room cleaned because it really needs to be cleaned. That's that intro. So we're gonna move to a smooth transition. I shouldn't have curled these. So it's morning right now. People are staring at me from out my window because I decided, hey, if the light's gonna be out, I'm gonna have good lighting. I have to get to class. I'm running a little late. I'm already so stressed out about my room, but I'm just gonna focus on class for right now and try to get through class. Let's go to class. Do you want to know how much of a dumbass I am right now? I'm dumb! So I had an exam today that I completely forgot about. The thing is, I couldn't take the exam because my student account got suspended. That's funny. So I had to call the tech service desk, got back into my account, completely bombed it. And so I didn't get back at 1 o'clock like I thought I would. I got back at like 12:30. And what have I been doing since 12:30? I've been around and editing this video. This video was supposed to motivate me to actually get my work done, and now all I do is sit down and edit it. Probably after I film this, I'm just gonna edit this in, and then I'm not gonna start cleaning my room. I'm dumb! People are still staring at me. Go away. Look at the squirrel instead. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put myself through some humiliation and do a before of my room, and we'll see how it looks.
Sorry, those are my crusty feet. So you have my door, and then you just have a pile of spilling out of my closet. That's me, okay? There's trash back there that I will not go into detail of. More crap on the floor. Overflowing trash. My beautiful desk. Me too, honey. My drawers that are open. This dead sunflower. I don't know what happened to her. All this trash. That's my room right now. It's lovely. I want to die. So that didn't go as planned. So it's like 3 in the morning, and instead of cleaning my room, which is still a mess, I went to a bar with a bunch of friends. I still feel it a little bit. I'm gonna be hungover as all hell tomorrow, but we're gonna get this done because it needs to be done. Yay. Yay. It's like 7:30. I look like a rat right now. Aside for one basket of laundry that I need to do, my room is done.
it's presentable enough for my family, and that's all I care about. So we're just gonna go with it. I like how it turned out, I really do. I have my friend's futon in here, which I'm very excited to have. I kind of want to have a futon for myself now, so I thought we would do a little bit of a room tour so you can see what my room looks like. I also need to go get dinner, so we need to make this quick.
So that's disgusting over there. We don't need to look at that. I have a wardrobe, my chair, my bed, my beautiful lights, my desk, a futon, my fridge, and my Keurig.
That's literally all it is. I mean, I don't know what else to show you. We stay in a clean bedroom. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I'm just glad that I was able to get this done. I'm so excited for my sister to spend the night here. With my room clean, I already feel so much better. I have this together at least. I'm very happy right now that this is clean. And it looks so nice and aesthetically pleasing. Look at her. Look at her. We love. I'm happy I was able to get this done with a giant ass hangover, so that's all I have for right now. I'll see you guys in the next video.